Data is the new oil, but without refining, it's just raw potential. That's where data analytics comes in. Okay, the art and science of turning raw data into meaningful insights that guide better decisions. So, what exactly is data analytics? It's the process of examining, cleaning, and interpreting data to uncover useful information, draw conclusions, and support smart business strategies. In today's digital world, every click, purchase, and interaction generates data, and analytics helps make sense of it all. There are four key types of data analytics. Descriptive analytics tells us what happened, diagnostic analytics explains why it happened, predictive analytics forecasts what's likely to happen next, and prescriptive analytics recommends what actions to take. Together, these methods turn numbers into knowledge and knowledge into power. Data analytics is used almost everywhere in business to understand customer behavior, in healthcare to predict disease patterns, in finance to detect fraud, in sports to boost performance, and even in marketing to personalize campaigns. It's the invisible engine driving smarter systems and better outcomes. To make it all possible, professionals use tools like Excel, Power BI, Tableau, Python, R, and SQL, each designed to collect, visualize, and analyze massive datasets. In short, data analytics transforms information into innovation. It's not just about data, it's about decisions that shape the future.